Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapal. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So it is World Cup time and India is playing so well. So now it is your chance to play well in your new company. Starting a new job in a new workplace, always exciting, but it can also be a little stressful as per me. Regardless of how many jobs you have done before, you may suddenly feel like the new kid in the class. So, with all eyes on you, so today I will be talking about how you can overcome that awkwardness of these first few weeks. So, watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapal. Is there any way to feel at ease when you in a brand new world or a brand new company, and if you are one welcoming a new person to your team also, what can you do to smooth the way for them? Managing yourself effectively in a new office involves several key principles which I have learned during my tenure. First, get organized, set up your workplace efficiently, create a to-do list and establish a daily routine. And if we are talking about taking a handover for someone, it is more important that we should create a tracker and capture it all, which will help us in the coming months. Be vocal if you're not able to understand it properly. Then obviously build relationship. Get to know your colleagues, superiors, subordinate peers is a must. Networking is essential as we are working on a hybrid model these days, and we are meeting on and off with our teams and colleagues or maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So it is more important that we should make our connection truly fast, and whenever we are meeting in the office, make most out of it. Then understand the company culture, learn about the company's values, norms, expectation, align your behavior with them. That means attending every all hands and the departmental meeting as you can, as well as optional cultural ones. Read the company's annual report, watch the previous presentation of your company's CEO, and understand the vision statement. Then set clear goals, establish both short term and long term goals for your role in the career. The SMART in SMART out, we always know, stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. And always talk to your manager about your goals, which needs to align with your company's goals. Like if you are in sales, you will be learning new sales technique to improve the style of selling of that particular company or maybe the particular product. Then my goal should be to double my sales from the current rate. I will keep a log of my current sales that directly compares with my sale at that time last year in which my previous company, so I know where I am on track or not. Then obviously the time management. Prioritize tasks, avoid distraction, and manage your time wisely. Time management is the coordination of things and activities to maximize the effectiveness of an individual effort. Essentially, the purpose of time management is to enable people to get more and better work done in less time. Elements of time management always include organization, planning, scheduling to the best of your abilities, and take advantage of time available in your hand. Time management techniques also is very important in individual particular situation, and their relevant capabilities and characteristics. Then effective communication, be clear and concise in your communication, listen actively and ask questions when it is necessary. Effective communication is more about listening about than talking. It is about understanding the emotion and intention behind that information, as well as being able to clearly convey a message. You need to also listen in a way that it gains more full meaning of what is being said and makes the other person feel heard and understood. Then continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends and develop new skills to enhance your values to the company. Continuous learning refers to ongoing educational and the professional development of yours. Look out for various training needs and the modules that the company has to offer. This learning experience might teach you about the new trend in your industry or help you improve your skill in the key areas that might occur at your workplace or in a different location or having the different lengths and breadth. For example, a certification a course maybe in a sales technique might be much useful for you in a new company where you are selling a new product. Then self care, ensure you maintain a work life balance, take breaks, eat healthy, and get enough sleep to pick up or a sports or hobby like I play golf in my spare time. Adaptability, be flexible and open to change, adapt to a new challenges whenever you get an opportunity, and be willing to learn from your experience or from your peers, subordinate or superior. Sometimes you are told to do something by everyone, but then think and use your own mind. Then seek feedback, regularly ask for the feedback on your performance till date and use it to improve. But these days it's very difficult to get a genuine feedback, and these days corporate competition is so much that everybody is gunning for each other work all the time that they may be think. Remember that adjusting to a new office can take time sometimes. Be patient with yourself. So if you all like my thought, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, comment it, and subscribe to my website in the same name, and follow me on my social network handles. So till I meet next, bye for now, and wishing you a very happy Diwali to all my subscribers, their families, friends, and some. So till now, bye for now.